Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you my favorite way to bake chicken thighs. This is a quick, easy, delicious chicken recipe you can put together on a busy day. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. We're going to start by drizzling some olive oil all over the chicken thighs, then move the chicken around to get the olive oil on both sides. Once the chicken has been oiled, go ahead and set it aside. Then we're going to put together a mixture of spices for the chicken. In this bowl, I have some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, dried oregano, dried rosemary, dried thyme, and cumin. I also have some cinnamon powder and brown sugar. I'm going to add those into my bowl of spices. I am also adding some salt and black pepper. Next, I'm going to add some store-bought Cajun spice rub. Last, I'm going to add Sazon tropical spice rub. You can find this at any grocery store. We're going to mix everything together. This mixture of spices is so good on chicken. If you want to make a quick chicken recipe, use these spices because you'll never go wrong. Season both sides of the chicken thighs with the spices. Make sure you pat the spices into the meat. Once the chicken is very well seasoned, we're going to put slices of butter onto each chicken. This is my favorite thing to do when I'm roasting chicken because the butter melts into the chicken and caramelizes the outside. Next, I'm going to wrap the chicken with a saran wrap, then let it marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. You can also let this marinate overnight if you wish. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When the chicken has finished marinating, place it into the oven to bake for 45 minutes. Here is the finished product, you guys. Look at how deliciously scrumptious the chicken looks. This is going to make your home smell so good. You can serve this with sauteed rice and vegetables. I served mine with baked sweet potatoes. The sauce on the chicken is very good. The chicken came out very tender, juicy, and flavorful. It was very delicious. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.